Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you here about to help you through this video through that to see color in Figma. Okay, so first of all, what you're gonna do about for this video, actually you will need to know what color of the square that I have in front of here that is going to be about to have the color. So really this is gonna be about to help you on this video through that. So really what you're gonna do is about to start to click here on the starting square shape. Now start to scroll down here, and then as you can see you will have fill or stroke. This is gonna be actually to be helpful to tell you whenever this kind of the color through that. So really what you're gonna see over here is really to be about that and satisfied to know the fill and stroke colors are really the colors that you see in front of you. The stroke is the outline layer that you will have, and that's all about help.